You want to have your own AI model? In this video, I cover the basics and show you two ways on how you do it. The easy way and the pro. This is CogniWerk's model training interface over here, and you get there by selecting the model training over here. First, you have to name your model. You go here and you create a new model and name it accordingly. I want to train a model about cars, so I call it your car. Something like this will just do it perfectly. Second, you select a type. So select each option to see a quick explanation. So for style, you have style. For person, you have person, concept or object. And in this instance, the car is an object, so I will select. So once you select your model type, you can upload your images. You go to dataset preparation. So you can choose something from your library or existing images from your hard drive. So I had prepared dataset already and I upload it to CogniWerk. So aim for high quality images because this will lead to better results. And use the navigation setup to continue where you left off. And I can now train. That's the easy route. So we will notify you once the model training is finished ready. And if you're unsure about any settings, you can just leave it as a default. But if you want to have more control, you can go on this small little icon over here. This is the so-called lab mode. You can just switch there, and you have also the upload over here. So the images are uploaded and you can do everything here. You have to crop, you can weight, you can caption, and you have all the settings and the sample prompts. We will cover this later. So first I go to cropping and I keep everything at the point of interest. So now everything is at the focal point, everything is centered and cropped to 1024 to 1024 pixels. But if you have, for example, an image which is out of this box, you can just center crop it or choose a different crop section. If you have any questions, you can click on why does cropping matter and you get explanations from a blog post. Next is weighting. So yes, you can train multiple concepts if you want. You have just to structure your dataset accordingly. So for example, now I have a trigger word which is Miura, and we make another folder for Miura yellow. Let's say it Miura model. And now for Miura model, I have to select everything, either yellow cars over here and there, and I select it. I move it to the new folder. I have to rename it. Say this is yellow, folder 1 is normal. So now every yellow car is in the yellow folder, and I want to have it not that much strength, but so that it don't compromise the data set, but still it will have an effect if I just want to have yellow cars. Also, I could now aim for different colors, for example, the red cars or the green cars, etc. But I will leave it as it is. Then captioning matters. You can use the auto caption, and it will take some time, but then you will get descriptions of your images which are automated. So once you have your captions ready, you can leave them as you want to, but I would advise you to always look out and probably edit these nevertheless. So we have a silver car, but we want to have it silver Miura. A silver Miura car. Park on the side of the road. This is okay. A white Miura car, art, etc. A red. Here we have Lamborghini Miura. This is already good. And so you go through all these data sets and edit it so that you don't miss any mistakes made by the captioning. After captioning, you can go to settings, and the default settings work well, but in lab mode you designed this. So I will give it a trigger word, and a trigger word will be and I will choose Flux as the base model. The sample prompts are auto-generated from your prompts, so these are for the training to help you track the progress. And you have the overview, you can see all the images and the settings. You can see also the name of your model and the type. You can always go back and change these, but once you're done, you can go and start the training.